What's up guys, Johnny V here, See John Vlog. I'm here on the corner of Mandeville and Dauphine Street in the Faubourg Marigny neighborhood of New Orleans. This is settled by Bernard Marigny. I think I just read that. Have some nice looking homes up in here. First day the sun's not killing me, so I can get out here and do some videos. First day the sun's not bombing down on us. Got a little bit of cloud cover today, so figured I'd do some video. Daughter and mother walking their doggy. I'll do driving video, but just walking video seems so much cooler. Here's the Rex Baking Company. I wonder how much baking they do these days. Probably not very much. Looks like an office. Maybe it's the offices of Rex Bakery. Just want to show y'all what it looks like in the neighborhood areas of New Orleans. With some pretty old houses and stuff. That one needs a lot of attention. I just did a video of on the St. Roch market on St. Claude. I did a little walkthrough. You get your hormone free chickens, and you get your range cows or range chickens, all that stuff, you know. If you're into that sort of stuff, that's the place to go. If you want your $8 gallon of milk. You can get some shrimp over there too. Wild caught shrimp. $8.50 a pound. Yep, $8.50 a pound for 1620s. 1620 means there's approximately 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. So if you look at it like that, it's about 40 to 50 cents a pound. Still doing my video, man. Still doing my video. I'm doing my video. There's a Saints and LSU. Guy tried to stop me earlier. Asked me a question. I didn't really have time for a question right now. All local bottled beer, Dixie beer. Dixie used to be did Tom Benson just buy it a couple of years ago before he died, and thought he was bringing it back, but I think I would have heard if that happened by now. I didn't see it bringing it back yet. This is the Franklin. This would be the Franklin. Guess that means we're on Franklin Avenue, because this is the Franklin, right?
Oh, I had a Cohen burger. You built me a new asshole. Yeah. That's the old one.
I think that guy said he built him a new asshole. He got the old one in the drawer if you want to see it.
Okay, what is most?